kids! Welcome to Hannah Kids World! Hi there! Welcome to my bakery! We make cookies with love!
Come on friends, it's baking time. Clap your hands and sing this rhyme. Mix, mix, stir the dough. Roll it nice and soft and slow. Sprinkle magic! 1, 2, 3. Who's the first cookie we'll see? Twinkle, twinkle, shining bright star. Cookie glows with golden light. Spin around, 1, 2, 3.
Let's make a
Star
cookie!
cookie smiles at me. Choo-choo! Here comes the train! Rolling down the cookie lane. Rectangle train, toot, toot,
Choo-choo.
toot. Everybody shout,
Yay,
how
let's go.
cute! Shake cookies, yum, yum, yum. Shake cookies, all have fun. Bake and shake them one by one. Shake cookies, everyone. Heart cookie, pink and sweet. Little hugs are such a treat. Love, love, hip hooray. Heart cookie saves the day. Crack, crack, what do I see? Oval cookie waves at me. Roll around, happy day. Oval cookie says, let's play. Shake cookies, yum, yum, yum. Shake cookies, fun, have fun. Bake and shake them one by one. Shake cookies, everyone. Round and round, round we go. Circle cookie says hello. Bounce up high, 1, 2, 3. Circle cookie laughs with me. 4 strong sides, standing tall. Square cookie waves to all. March, march, left and right. Square cookie smiles so bright. Shake cookies, yum, yum, yum. Shake cookies, wah, wah, wah. Bake and shake them one by one. Shake cookies, everyone. Hop, hop, up so high. Triangle reaches to the sky. 3 little corners, happy day. Triangle loves to dance and play. Shiny, shiny, sparkle bright. Diamond cookie glows tonight. Twirl around, 1, 2, 3. Diamond cookie shines.